Paak pa lang, ba't ka mamian?
Zdravím vás.
Hi.
Chtěl bych vám představit Kiaru, protože tohleto video bude o představení celé její rodiny. Takže Kiara Panagua Tan,
Yeah.
kterého mi ještě tak vyslovit to prostřední jméno. Je jí 30 let a má 3 děti. Ty uvidíte později. Tohleto video dělám, protože bych vám chtěl ukázat, ke komu, do jaké rodiny se budu ženit. Protože je mi jasné, že naprostá většina z vás pravděpodobně vůbec nikdo mi na svatbu nepřijede, tak abyste věděli. Svatba proběhne první týden v říjnu, takže kdybyste náhodou měli o nějaké volné prachy a chtěli přijít, přiletět, tak abyste věděli. Let's go introduce the kids.
Yeah. This is Blight Ian, my youngest son. He is 5 years old and he is studying preschool. That's it.
Yeah.
Ian's mom. This is Shania, my second daughter, and she is 7 years old. And she's studying grade 2.
Hi.
And her nickname is Sharky because when she was younger, when she was a little, she always bite her playmates. That's why we call her Sharky. And this is my eldest daughter, Yani. Nanang, hi.
Hi.
And she is grade 4 now. This is John Paul and this is John Patrick. They are 13 years old and they are studying second year high school. And they are my cousin. They are the sons of my uncle and my aunt. And their nickname is Puti and Itom. In my language, it's white and black. This is my cousin Janelle. And she is 12 years old and she is grade 6 student. She is the daughter of my uncle, the brother of my mom. And her mother is Bonggik and Amel. We call her Ban Ban, that is her nickname. This is my other cousin Joshua Kyle and he is 19 years old. She is the son of my aunt Ampang, the sister of my mother. And this is my grandma Lola Felicitas. And she is, pila edad lang? 76 years old. She is the one who raised me when I was younger because my mom needed to travel and work to Manila and she was the one who's taking good care of me. And this is my two uncles. Renato he is 47 years old and this is Amel. He is 51 years old and Berlin is 45 years old. They are the siblings of my mother. His nickname is Atoy and his nickname is Amel and his nickname is Ampang. This is John and he is 15 years old. He is the son of Ampang and Noni and his nickname is Anoni. This is Eli Javier. He is 4 years old and his nickname is Bruno. And he is my other cousin. He is the son of Amel and Bonggek. So this is my uncle. He is the husband of Ampang and he is 57 years old. And his name is Hobenshano and his nickname is Nune. So this is Juan Miguel. He is 9 years old. He is the son of Ampang Anoni and he is in grade 4. She is Lesafi and she is the one who I keep telling that she is Bonggek, the wife of Amel, and she is 45 years old, the mother of Banban and Bruno.
To byla má partnerka a její rodina. Doufám, že alespoň někdo z vás přijede, protože tady nechci být sám. Tak jo, mějte se hezky a brzo nashledanou. Ciao.
Ciao.
Thank you, honey.
And I'll do it again.
No, we are done.